Hey everyone, are you on the hunt for top quality, custom made leather goods? Here are 3 reasons why you should consider make to order from Pakistan. www.mtopk.net. First, the unparalleled quality. Pakistan's leather goods are renowned globally for their craftsmanship and durability. Second, customization is key. You get exactly what you want, tailored to your tastes. Lastly, the value for money is unbeatable. You're investing in a product that lasts a lifetime. So, don't wait. Check out Make to Order from Pakistan today and experience the luxury of tailor-made leather goods that meet your needs perfectly. Get yours now and enjoy craftsmanship that tells a story. Discover mtopk.net, your go-to destination for premium, handmade leather jackets and shoes. Crafted with precision and care at mtopk.net. We combine traditional craftsmanship with modern designs to bring you the finest leather apparel. Each piece is tailored to perfection, just for you, mtopk.net. Collection is not just about fashion, it's about making a statement. With worldwide delivery, you can enjoy our quality, no matter where you are. mtopk.net, where luxury meets comfort. Visit us today. www.mtopk.net.